Be wary of bushfires. That warning from the Met Service as high temperatures and the ongoing drought continue to create dry conditions across the country. This increases the risk of land degradation as fires affect the ability to support plants, wildlife and agriculture. Romardo Lyons explains.
The island currently battles a drought, but it's not just water in pipes that's likely to be put to the test. Water in firefighters' houses could also be stretched to the limit. Director of the Meteorological Service of Jamaica points to the Bushfire Warning Index. He says with increased dryness, higher temperatures, and less water being available, the risk of bushfires increases.
This is primarily climate-induced bushfires. Yes, people will throw cigarette butts or they might light fires in certain areas, and that is another trigger for bushfires. But this is where the dryness is going to contribute, or it will make those situations even more intense.
2 weeks into July 2026, the St. Catherine Fire Department pointed to an uptick in bushfires in the parish. The Jamaica Fire Brigade and the Ministry of Agriculture are among the agencies monitoring the potential developments island-wide.
The climate conditions creating the perfect scenario for that generation and development of the bushfires because of some ignition. It could even be a lightning in ignition if we do get the clouds and the thunderstorms and lightning. But if we do have that, it could also mean a source of bushfires.
Now, rising temperatures have proven to be a major health and environmental hazard, not just locally. Headlines around the world just this week.
More than 360,000 people have been evacuated from parts of France and Spain as major wildfires continue to burn. There are fears that a temperature surge on Wednesday could make the fires worse.
The ongoing heat wave could create more blazes in Spain and France, but urged countries to the east to prepare for imminent disasters.
Locally, the potential impact goes beyond reporting on fires. Burnt grass and trees that protect soil leave land more vulnerable to degradation because of the loss of vegetation. There's also nutrient depletion, as intense fires destroy organic matter and reduce long-term soil fertility. Loss of biodiversity is at stake too if fires destroy habitats, reducing plant and animal populations. It's important to note that the areas showing the highest risk of climate-induced bushfires locally are in the eastern section of the country, where many farmers are located in rural St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland.
The impact of dryness and higher temperatures, climate conditions generally for us, would also mean an impact on the vegetation, on the land, on agriculture, and our food security is very important to us.
Fires also pose the threat of lower agricultural productivity as degraded land from fires support fewer crops, affecting farmers' livelihood and food security. In the meantime, the Water Ministry says there's a construction of an additional 30 loading bays in proximity to wells to improve the response to the drought.
Putting in additional loading bays and increasing the hours, allowing for trucks to be loaded overnight to facilitate early morning deliveries, we believe will significantly reduce the impact.
The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations says the Caribbean faces the problem of major forest fires yearly.
Each dry season in Trinidad and Tobago, wildfires, also known as forest fires or bushfires, ignite along hillsides and roadways.
It endangers lives and social environments as well as the regional economy. Now, as Jamaica has already recorded its hottest days so far this year, the land remains under watch. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.